Why most of Europe people are taller than Asian people? Here's the answers. The difference in average height between people in Europe and Asia is influenced by a combination of genetics, nutrition, healthcare, and socioeconomic factors, not because one group is inherently better than the other. 1. Genetics. Different populations have different genetic predispositions for height. For example, Northern Europeans, e.g., Dutch, Scandinavians tend to have genes associated with taller stature. East and Southeast Asian populations may have genetic profiles that result in shorter average heights. However, genetics alone doesn't account for the full difference, it's just one factor. 2. Nutrition. Nutrition during childhood and adolescence is critical for reaching genetic height potential. Historically, many European countries have had better access to high-protein, nutrient-rich diets, especially dairy and meat. In contrast, some parts of Asia have had diets lower in protein or calories due to poverty or food scarcity, particularly in the past. 3. Healthcare and living conditions. Access to good prenatal care, vaccinations, clean water, and healthcare in childhood plays a huge role in height. Chronic illnesses, infections, and poor sanitation, more common in poorer regions, can stunt growth. 4. Economic development. European countries became wealthier earlier and developed better infrastructure and living standards sooner than many parts of Asia. As Asian countries continue to grow economically, like South Korea or China, average heights are increasing significantly there too. Notable example: South Korea versus North Korea. Despite shared genetics, the average height of South Koreans is significantly taller than that of North Koreans due to vastly better nutrition and healthcare. Summary: Europeans are generally taller on average due to a mix of genetics and historically better living conditions. But with improving conditions in many Asian countries, height gaps are narrowing, showing that environment matters just as much as genes.